Hello YouTube, Ben Stone here, bringing you guys another episode of Spin Tires Mud Runner on the missions again. Okay, here we are, missions. So when we where we left off. Where we left off. So the first one was the ridge, the repair and fuel, climb a hill, night safari, visit Grand Moss, which was just driving a car to a destination. It was kind of boring, but it was also fun. It was fun because I got to drive a car, and every single vehicle in this game is literally like a semi and a Jeep. So yeah, that was fun. And then a crane operation, and then the one that we're on now. Cross a river. Cross a river? I've crossed many rivers. This should not be too hard. If my game would load. Cross a river shouldn't be too hard. Oh my goodness. So, I think like 2 videos ago, we had a I think it was like a D526 or something. Well, this is a bigger version of that. This is called, this is in a bigger class. This is an E7310. All right, let's go ahead and start it up. I always love that. But this is a fuel truck. Does it have any fuel in it? Yes, it does. Holy crap, this truck holds 1,273 liters. And there's a light switch that says, switch tonight. Okay, we're going to reverse it here. I really want to drive this. All-wheel drive and diff locks on. Ooh! Am I supposed to... What's my objective? Drive to the marked location across the river. Wait, can I could. I don't know if I'm supposed to be doing this, but I'm gonna. Because bonus objective failed. What's my objective? Wait, where is it marked? Destination. I have to cross that? No. Oh, no. Holy crap, I don't know if I'm going to make it. I have zero idea if I'm going to make it. I don't think I'm going to make it. I mean, this is pretty high, but I don't think it's high enough. And I have a trailer on the back. I don't know if I'm supposed to... Oh, yeah. I am supposed to have the trailer because destination. It says destination. Usually when you don't have a trailer, it just has a line. But it says destination, so I have to deliver a trailer to my destination. Oh, my goodness. This is such a big river. I'm not going to make it. I swear. I'm not going to. Come on. I have to make it. I have to make it. I don't know if I'm sliding or what. Dangerous water levels. Dangerous water levels. Dangerous water. We gotta be careful here. Holy crap, we're not even halfway there. Oh, well. We are, yeah. We're just driving through water. Just don't mind me. It has so... I can't reverse. It's sliding. I don't think I'm going to be able to make it. But if I don't make it, I can restart. So I'm going to go for it. water damages the truck. Oh, engine stalled, engine stalled, engine stalled. No. We're restarting. We're gonna have to restart. Like literally, we're gonna have to restart. And we were about halfway there. And that's where the engine stalled. Well, restart. Yes, I want to restart. Well, I don't want to restart. Okay, so let's go here. Reverse, 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 reverse. Okay. Get out of here. Okay. Here we go. Come on. Come on. It says to drive across the river. I don't think that's gonna happen. But I guess we'll stay to the outer edges. Or the inner edges. Because it's not that deep by the inner edges. Oh, that's a big drop, I'm pretty sure. This truck has like zero suspension. Oh no. Oh no, that's my brother. Sam. Oh no! Sam, I'm recording. I'm gonna have to restart again. Restart. Yes. I tell you right now, I do not want to restart many times. Okay, let's go. Oh, this is so stupid. It's got 3 gears. That's it. This thing's got a huge tank, so I think we'll be good. Waste a lot of fuel. It has an option for this camera angle, but you cannot see in front of you, so I don't even know where the truck's going right now. We're gonna go this way. Come on. Oh crap. That's not a good thing. Water damages the truck. Stalled. Oh my goodness, this is so stupid. Yes, I know. Now I just gotta... Stupid. Come on. Okay. Just gonna drive literally straight. Because that was our best option. The driver, okay. Yeah, I'm a driver, okay. Why did you keep doing If I could find another vehicle here that's better than this, that would be great, please. Or something that's taller than this, that would be super great. I don't want to go all the way around because that's not fun. I just want to get to my destination. I don't know if that's So if can I even go around this? I can't even go around this. That's shorter, but there's an island up there. So if I start hitting that one now, I think just kind of like go across and we're just gonna set a waypoint. I'm gonna manually do this because if I get in too deep of an area, I can really just like stop and just. I have one of my fingers by the stop button, right there. That's where I need to stop. Right there. Oh, it's still damaging the truck, and I'm backing up. Come on. Be real. Come on. I'm scared. I'm scared to go anything. Okay, that's a deep spot right there. That is a deep spot. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it across. Holy crap, it's pulling. It is pulling hardcore. It's pulling really hard out here. No, the engine has stalled! The island was right there! I could see it! Come on, the engine has not stalled. Come on. Be real with the game. Come on. You want me to cross a river. You literally want me to cross a river. How do you expect me to do that? Come on. Alright, we're gonna go over here this time. I'm already in max gear. I'm going full speed right now. So slow. So slow. Alright, we're just gonna go like this. Come on. No. Really? I should have had in first gear so I go really slow and not like automatic where I go super fast. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna head over here. Good, but I have to get over there. I should be able to make it. Well, actually, no, I want it to delete that. So delete, and I want to go over right there. Oh, the island's literally right there. I can see it already. Okay, this time, I'm not gonna be dumb. I'm gonna have it in first gear only. So I can go slow. So if it starts getting in too deep of water, I can jack. I'm being very, very careful here. Oh my, no, too deep. Ooh. Should I just floor it? I'm going for it! Yeah! Yeesh. That is deep. First gear and first gear only. That is not good. Automatic. 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 Go. 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 I gotta floor it. Floor it. Floor it. Floor it. Floor it. Yes! Yes! I don't even know why they still want this trailer. It's literally like speeds. Oh my goodness. How is this happening? Like when I'm in a forest that there's so many things that I can grab onto. Winch. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Come on. For some reason, small trees get taken down, but if you like run over a big tree, it's still standing. It doesn't like go in. It doesn't crack or anything. Completely fine. Scratches. Nothing. Just still. It's so weird. I wish there was a repair kit on this thing. Engine installed. Engine installed. You serious? Start again? This is gonna be a whole video just to get it off. Come on. Come on. Okay, do you know what? Go. Just go. I don't care anymore. Just go. I gotta mark my thing. Okay, come on. I gotta go. Seeing it right now. Yeah, they're right there. Seriously, I have to make it. I've got to make it sometime. Okay, first gear and first gear only. Not gonna make any dumb decisions like last time. Oh my goodness, it's close. You know what? I'm gonna have it in automatic. In cruise control, because I feel like if I go in a deep spot like that, I'll just go right out of it because I'm in automatic. Let's do it. Right. Alright, here we go. We're making it now. We're making it now. Now, what is my objective to do right now? Well, I know drive across the lake. But, like, you know. Okay, I think I should just go across that right there. Get the island, this land, right there. I'm just gonna go right across this. That's a little deep. Oh, there he is. Alright, so now, here, I think I'm just gonna drive along this. So, if that would move, that would be great, and yeah. Okay. So far, so good. I have not flipped yet, except I've really just haven't made it a lot. Oh, come on! Oh my goodness, I might flip my truck. We're just gonna back up right there. Just gonna flip that over. You know, I think we're gonna have to. Why? My trailer doesn't have any tires. It's like a rail cart. It's like a cart trailer. A railroad trailer. It has no tires whatsoever. Like, stupid. Okay, can I please make it up this? Yes, I can. And I may be able to. I may have did it. Do I have like a checkpoint where I'm supposed to be going? I feel like down there would have been easier, but like I already made up this. So I'm gonna go back down it. I mean, I'll get speed for one. stall my engine and it might break. Oh my goodness. Why do they still want this camping trailer? Just answer that question to me real quick. Like, why? How do you guys still want this? Come on. How do they want this? It's the question. I go to my destination so I can drop this off. Hopefully nothing bad happens. I'm getting close. I am getting close. It wants me to drive across that. Like, that's not gonna happen. Water is fun in this game if it actually has like normal water physics, like water on the tires and stuff. It would be fun, but it doesn't have that. We're here! We made it! Finally! Yes! I was really excited about this mission and now it's stupid. It was stupid. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this episode of Mudrunner, you should consider hitting that subscribe button, clicking the like button, and hitting the notification bell so you'll know when I post content like this. See you next time.